Shalum, woman of noble character. Breathe deeply. Today, we embrace our call to be Qadash in our character and our conduct. Our virtue is our spiritual strength, and our modesty is the beautiful reflection of a heart that is devoted to Yahuwah alone. Speak each affirmation clearly, from a place of quiet confidence and inner beauty, daily for 21 days to cultivate a ruah of reverence. 1. My worth is found in my character, not my appearance. I am a woman of virtue and strength. 2. I choose modesty as an expression of a heart that treasures what Yahuwah values. 3. My body is a temple for the Ruah Ha'Qadash, and I honor Yahuwah in how I present it. 4. I am clothed with strength and dignity. My presence commands respect without demanding attention. 5. My beauty comes from a gentle and quiet ruah, which is of great worth in Yahuwah's sight. 6. I set boundaries that protect my Shalum and purity, for I am a guardian of the Qadash space Yahuwah has given me. 7. My speech is seasoned with favor and 𝐤𝐄𝐄, reflecting the purity of my heart. 8. I walk in integrity, ensuring my private life matches my public testimony. 9. I am a crown to my family and community, bringing honor through my righteous conduct. 10. Today, I choose to reflect the beauty of Yahuwah's character in my actions, my words, and my appearance. Breathe deeply. Now, speak these truths daily and walk in the power of Qadash femininity. Overcome the world's shallow standards with inward beauty, day after day. Shalum, Yasharal, Barak YAHUAH.